Just before we started, this video was very difficult to make, especially when this video was actually a stream. The stream was about an hour and 40 and there weren't a lot of salvageable moments. But I tried my best, so in advance, I'm sorry. But in this video, my friends were trying to help me build this PC, and a lot of the time they weren't as helpful as I would expected, but most of the time they were entertaining, which I thank them for that. So you're probably wondering who helped and motivated me in this video. Well, first off, we have Boss, which he was the one that bought all of the PC parts. Then we have Trex, a Roblox streamer and a best friend. Moving on, we have Kim, a weird ass white kid who wasn't there to help me, but just to be a mascot. And then we have Riley. She was just there, playing her game. And lastly, I think Spook was there. I'm not sure if he was there because he doesn't talk. Feels bad, man. Their links would be down in the description, so I appreciate if you go sub or follow. And also, I recommend turning up your speakers because the audio was so low. I had to turn it up all the way, but it was still low as shit. If this video gets 30 likes, I'll upload another video right after the like goal has been reached, probably like a day or two after. But other than that, enjoy the video.
Is it working the stream?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh.
It's working.
There we go.
Oh no, there we go.
Yeah, what's up? Oh yeah. Okay,
Yo,
right.
let's go.
13 viewers, boy.
Yo, that cardboard, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Trax, be Freaking quiet. I'm boss. gonna try and help you do this. Trax, be quiet. I'm Got gonna that try and help you build cardboard, this,
I
alright?
know how to build a computer, brother.
You got a pre-built Trex.
The fuck you? Okay. Dude, I know how to fucking build computers, bro. What the fuck you mean?
Okay, so we got the RAM first of all. Yeah, we got
that's
that.
nice.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna open the motherboard first because obviously that's the first thing.
That's the first thing you want to do. Alright,
Yeah,
I'm
that's
just
a
gonna turn down
bazooka.
Trex's volume.
Bazooka.
I just have
Okay.
to turn down Trex's volume real quick.
That's when you know he's gonna
There you
blow up the motherboard. Hella fast.
Nah,
Oh god.
dude.
Oh my god, he has a fucking knife, bro.
I'm cutting the tape open. Yo, look at that, fam.
Oh my god, let's
Okay, now Eddie,
go.
grab it by
awfully
this side. Be
Chinese.
really careful. Well, I've had those things fly out of that thing, so probably nerve-wracking for you, huh? Eddie, careful, careful,
His
Eddie.
hand is shaking, my guy. It's
Oh my
shaking.
god, watch out.
Eddie has.
Yes, let's go, boy.
Oh, he's doing that fast. That's where the fans going, bro.
Freaking Chinese worker, dude. Come on now.
Oh my god, let's go, baby.
Wait, what?
Ooh.
Baby, you gotta treat it like a
After
baby.
building it, you eat it out your window.
I would
This is
literally
because
drive all. I have
ITD.
his address. I'd drive all the way there and slit his throat if he did that.
Oh, he's doing it.
Organization is key.
Oh my god, he's doing it. Oh my god. Oh my
Now,
god.
when you put in the RAM, you can kind of just hide that
Oh
cable
my
when you put in the
God.
RAM.
Oh, he messed up. Wait.
Shut up.
It's tiny as fuck, bro. Yo, this is the best part. Yeah, hit it from the back, bro.
Happy New Year.
Oh my god. Bro.
Happy Jew Year. Oh
Bro.
Bro.
Look at that.
damn, dude.
Bro, damn, bro.
This
That
case
was
is so
oh
nice.
my
Look at
god.
that
It really
shit.
is. Possession, you have no idea. It gets complicated. It does.
No, tell the cable management part
Bro, I
when it happens.
don't care about the cable management. It's just this fucking screw.
Oh, the rest is easy though. The rest is it's very simple. Damn, bro.
No, it's just this fucking screw, fam.
Rip, maybe I should have gotten him magnetic.
Nah, this. Oh my god, I need a fucking.
Oh man.
What's wrong with this goddamn screw?
Who the hell said it looks like a fucking microwave?
Yeah, actually, it looks like a microwave.
It's a nice microwave, okay?
No, it's not.
Well, let me tell you something. I'd be happy if I had an $800 fucking microwave.
Actually, that would be sad. I'm not gonna lie.
This is the most intense part. I love this part.
Not though. The most intense part is the peeling of the glass and the freaking
And the graphics card, bro.
and the graphics card. Yep. You
Oh
know,
my
you
God.
understand. Wait, no, you wouldn't understand. Never mind.
Pre-built. Bro, I was so prepared to do this, but now I realize that it's so difficult. This is like giving birth to a child, man.
I mean,
Making a child. It's not. Never mind. I'm just not gonna say nothing.
Hey, it's for my video. You can say stupid shit.
after this PC's done, Eddie's gonna have to wipe hard.
What? I'm not gonna what? What do you mean by wiping hard?
Because you're gonna shit your pants by the end of this.
Dude, I already shit before I was streaming, so.
There's a manual. And the motherboard comes with it and tells you.
No one reads the fucking manual tracks. I'm just saying, alright?
That's what I did when I installed my computer. I built it.
And look how it turned out.
Hey, what's up, guys?
You know, Eddie back from the beer.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
This day is gonna top the day Eddie's child is
This
born. I'm
is
just
the
saying.
powerhouse.
Oh my
bro.
God.
Okay, ready for the click? Ready for the click? Okay,
Oh,
listen.
yeah,
listen.
click. Oh my God, bro!
Let's go,
That sounded
boy.
so good,
That
bro.
was
Holy
good,
shit,
dude. That was good.
bro. Oh shit.
Oh, thank the Lord, man.
Oh,
Thank the Lord.
oh my God.
Okay, now time to power it on, because holy shit.
Oh my God.
Plug it into a monitor first, all right?
Yeah, let me go ahead and get my brother's monitor.